Right in front of me, I have 3 different tech mystery boxes worth up to $3,000. What's inside? We're about to find out. Join me as we discover if these boxes are filled with cutting-edge tech or if it's just a mix of random gadgets. This could be the best or the worst tech investment. So let's start the unboxing journey and see what tech surprises await us. Okay, so here are all the products laid out in front of us. I believe that these 2 are from Anker and this one is from OnePlus. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Anker items because this one looks like it could potentially be a phone. I don't know, it looks like a phone box. So we're gonna move this one to the side and we're gonna focus on these 2. I don't know which one is worth more value. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna start with this one. I do not want the USB-C power bank. That's the worst one I can get because I just can't use it. I want the huge things, probably not that. A battery bank, I could use it. It's not the worst thing in the world. The GAN Prime thing, not the worst thing in the world either. And the USB-C cable, not the worst thing in the world. I think it's a really high speed cable. So let's get into it. Boom. Open it. Open it up. And the first item is, whoa, Series 7. What is this? Oh, it's a USB-C cable. Anker 765 USB-C to USB-C cable. 140 watt. That's actually good. That can charge a MacBook, which I use for work. So let me, boom, get inside here. For this box, we paid $20 and this item is worth $35. So right now we are up this much right here. That's how much we're up right now. Okay, and here's what I think is the next Anker box. This could be worth up to $800 and we paid $60 for this one. This one could have some sort of power outlet extender, 2 of the GAN Prime chargers. I do not want that. There's also 2 other, looks like outlet extenders, a large battery bank, and the other thing, I have no idea what that is. It says it's worth $800. It looks like it could be a camera. I don't know what that is, but you guys tell me. I want that camera thing because I have no idea what it is. The outlet extenders, I could use those. The JM Prime, I don't want that. And the battery bank, I could use that. You can always use a battery bank. Okay, now let's get inside this box. Ooh, okay. This one says conference room power. Anker 647 charging station, Series 6. So they must do something with Anker series. This is 7, this is 6. Let's open up this box and see what this thing's like. Okay, so here is the thing that I got. This one is worth $100. So now we are up this amount. So we just made $40 on this purchase. This thing is weird. What is this? Okay, there's built-in, oh, that's sick. Built-in USB-C cables. That's actually sick. So it just goes up there and it locks. Okay. This is not, it says this is not a wireless charging pad. I wish it was. They should have put a wireless charging pad there. Rip that off. Then we have 3 AC outlets there. 3 AC there, and this long cable. There's a switch on the bottom to toggle it. Maybe that's like a button to turn it on and off. Also, there's USB-C and a USB-A there. This one's pretty cool. I like this. This can definitely be useful in my office. How long is this cable? It's pretty long. Wow. There's there, boom, 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 boom. That's how long it is. Then you pull it, and it retracts back in. That is pretty cool. I like this product. On to the next, the big boy. So here is the OnePlus box. This one could have a OnePlus Open, OnePlus Buds Z2, OnePlus Nord Buds 2, or a 100 watt dual port power adapter. I don't want that because we literally just got our cable here. It's a better cable. So there's 280 of the power adapter, 200 of the Nord Buds, 20 of the OnePlus Buds Z2, and there's 1 OnePlus Open. Judging by the weight of this, oh, it's not looking good for the phone. If it's the phone, guys, that'd be amazing. That'd be so crazy if it's a phone. Here we go, open this one up. Oh, I'm excited for this one, guys, come on. Boom, 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 open those. And we got, okay. So this is the 100 watt power adapter. This is actually not a cable. It's literally a power adapter, which could be used with a new cable that can support it. That's actually really nice. So this actually works with my cable. That's great. It's not the OnePlus Open. How much is this worth? So this one is worth 50 bucks and I only paid $30 for it. Now we're up this much here. Cool, let's get this open. Man, I really wanted that OnePlus. I really wanted the Open. That phone is so amazing. My brother got it. That phone is beautiful, man. I love that phone. Yeah. Oh, it comes with a cable. Here's the charger itself. USB-A and a USB-C. It has a little laptop there, so I'm assuming it's meant for charging your laptop. Folds in, Super VOC, don't know what that means. There's that. So it also comes with a sleek red USB-C to USB-C cable. This one's not that long though. This cable is not that long compared to our Anker cable. Let's compare sizes. How about that? Here's the Anker cable versus the OnePlus cable. See, the OnePlus cable stops there and Anker keeps on going. Anker has a bigger size of OnePlus, confirmed. So overall, we're up $75. $15 on the first Anker box, $20 on the OnePlus box, and $40 on the second Anker box. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. And remember, like and subscribe. Peace.